anxiety.
In today's video, you'll see a Karen freak out after being trespassed from a store because she was trying on clothes in the middle of it.
I'm going to search it.
Stop touching me!
A Karen screaming at the police who are trying to help her during a domestic violence dispute.
Don't come and attack me in my own goddamn house and expect not to get kicked, you stupid.
And a Karen so drugged out that she'll say anything to try to get out of going to jail.
I will get whatever drug dealers you want. I will do whatever it takes.
But first, let's take a look at someone who would do or say anything to try to convince the police that she wasn't drunk. Spoiler alert, it doesn't end well for her.
Hi, ma'am, how are you?
I'm been better.
I understand. Put your cigarette out for me, please.
Oh. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. Put your cigarette out for me.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you. So you explain to me what happened?
The sun was in my eyes, and I was blinded, and I hit somebody, and I pulled over, and I'm so sorry.
On November 10th, 2022, an officer was dispatched regarding a car crash that had occurred moments before the report. Upon arriving on the scene, the officer met with the woman responsible for the crash, and it became clear very quickly just how much of a Karen she was.
So you were going back west?
Yeah, I live on Eunice,
Okay.
and I was just going home.
Yes, ma'am. You got your license, insurance, and registration?
I sure do. It's on my phone. I have Progressive.
Focus on one thing at a time for
Okay,
me.
I'm sorry. I'm very much trying to. I really am.
You're doing just fine. You're doing just fine. Can you find me your policy number? That's what I need.
Okay.
Just need your policy number.
I have it. I do. I have it. I'm just
Where was you coming from?
gone to go pay my water bill.
Oh, okay. Down at the
And
city?
I was just coming back up.
Okay. How are y'all? Was both of y'all in the truck?
No, I just get from work.
Oh, okay. Just you? Okay. You happen to have your license, insurance, and registration on you? If you want, or your truck...
I was going to ask you if I can move.
Yeah, if you want, you can come back around here and just pull it in here. It'll be just fine.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You got your registration. You got your insurance on you by chance?
It's not there.
It's expired? Okay, that's all right. Let me go get all this stuff put in the system and everything. The witness said that you were going northbound. Is that correct?
No.
Okay. And as you started to cross the intersection, she ran stop sign ahead. Is that your recollection of things? Because that's what the witness was saying. Okay. Do you remember
She hit me in the back, so that's pretty much.
Do you remember about where you was within the intersection? That spot. Okay. All right, Kelly. Let me ask you something, okay? Have you consumed any intoxicating beverages today or drugs?
No, I don't.
None? Not
I
even?
had a glass of wine at lunch, but that was hours ago. I am completely fine. I really couldn't see the sun was in my eyes. I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay. It's all right.
That's why I stayed here. That's why I showed her all my things. I'm very transparent. Like I was not trying to do anything bad.
No, I'm not saying you were doing anything
so
bad.
sorry.
A crash, it happens, okay? That's why they call them accidents, okay?
Plenty of comments point out that she's very nervous at this point, which could be a sign of alcohol. The reality is, however, that plenty of people are naturally this terrified after an accident, especially if they're the ones at fault. For this Karen, however, there was something more at play.
Let me go put all this stuff in the system real quick, and I'll be right back, okay? You're more welcome to sit in your vehicle. I'm going to get you a tow truck on the way.
My car still runs. I'm fine. I'm just going to drive it home.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right, that's fine with me.
I'm fine.
I just want to make sure you're okay with that.
I just.
No, it's okay. If you want to just hang out for a second, let me get this done, okay?
I'm more than happy to hang out.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's her name? You're going to breathalyze her. I work at an office. She smells like alcohol.
We're going to look into it.
I have a very familiar name. I've had a lot of trouble with police officers.
No, you're fine. You're
the
fine.
lady who killed her grandkid with fentanyl, has the same name, so I get a lot of confusion with that, and it gives me anxiety. I'm very sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Let me go put this up, and I'll go finish explaining to you, okay?
Okay.
Listen to me, okay? I need you to be honest with me, okay? I can smell the odor of an intoxicating beverage coming from your person.
I had a glass of wine at lunch. I did.
Okay. Have you consumed any other intoxicating beverages since noon?
No.
None?
No. Sir,
how much?
I'm totally fine. I'm
you-
very, very, very sorry. I just.
Kelly, listen to me. Slow down for me, okay? Slow down. Take a deep breath. We'll get through it, okay? I promise. We're going to get through it. So, the last intoxicating beverage you had was at noon, correct?
Yes.
Okay. How much wine did you have?
A 9-ounce glass at the Trinity. I can tell you
Was
my
it-
receipt. Like, I mean, I know exactly.
Was it in a glass, wine glass? Or
Yes.
was it? Okay. All right. And you haven't consumed anything else since then? Okay. All right.
It was about 1 o'clock.
Would you be willing to perform field sobriety test for me to ensure that you're safe to drive?
Yes. Yeah. I mean, I can't do the alphabet backwards. I mean,
No, we're not going to. No, we're not going to do that. I can't even do that. All right.
No,
I can't even do that. Okay. So let's go over here. All right. And we'll use this sidewalk because it's flat and it's level. Okay. It'll be a lot easier on you. And not only that,
I'm very
we don't.
sorry.
We want to keep you away from the traffic. Not just that.
I'm very sorry.
All right. So, do you have any back or brain injuries prevent you walking, turning, standing, or following an object for a short period of time?
Okay, well, I mean, my back is not damaged per se, but I mean.
No, okay. That's all I was asking. Do you wear hard or soft contacts? It's all right. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to stand with your feet together and your hands down at your side. Okay.
I'm sorry.
No,
Can I
you're
blink?
fine.
Can I blink?
Yeah, that's fine.
That was like a long time. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
I'm trying my best.
No, you're fine.
To
You're fine.
do whatever you need me to do. I'm very
All right.
sorry.
Keep following for me. One more time.
I moved my head. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're
Try
fine.
again.
You're fine.
The up and down got me. I was
Ready?
like, I moved my head. I was like, I'm so sorry.
Ready? All right. One more time. Okay.
I never want to hurt anybody.
No, it's okay. It's all
Like,
right.
I mean, in any way.
All right, Kelly. Let me ask you this. Okay. Do you feel the effects of any intoxicating beverage you consume?
No, I do not. I mean,
Okay, let me ask
I'm
you this.
completely-
Have you used any marijuana?
no.
Okay. Have you used
No.
any fentanyl?
Oh, hell no.
Okay, heroin?
No.
Okay, meth?
No.
Okay.
I
I ask those things because...
Sir, I work at the Boys and Girls Club. I make dinner and snack every day for 100 kids and dinner for... I was feeling sick to my stomach today. I have not called in over a year, and I kind of played a little bit of hooky from work and went to lunch with my friend, and I was feeling guilty about it. I mean, to be honest, but I make dinner every night for 50 kids. That's what I do for a living.
My concern is your level of impairment.
I felt okay. I wasn't trying to. I'm very, very sorry.
What time did you leave? What time did you go to Trinity's? Do you remember?
1 o'clock. And then I sat
What time
there
did you
and
leave?
I chatted and I was there for a good 2 hours. To be honest, I mean, I'm very. In no way was I trying to.
And during a 2-hour period, did you consume more than that one glass?
No,
What did
I
you
did
drink
not.
after that?
Nothing.
I hate to tell you this, okay? But you're under arrest, okay? For driving under the influence, intoxicating liquor or drug. I'm going to
Sir,
be straight with
did
you.
I pass the test?
It's not a pass or fail. It's based on the totality of the circumstances, on everything that I see. Okay?
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
I
so
understand.
sorry. I don't.
This is Kelly. This is what I do for a living. Okay. I don't necessarily believe that you've only had one glass of wine. I'll be straight with you. Okay. And maybe you did, but maybe it was just more recent than what you remember.
Can I take a breathalyzer?
Yes, ma'am. We will give you a breathalyzer.
If it's below 0.08, can I go?
No, ma'am.
What the officer says is correct. Even if she blew below a .08 at this point, he's already informed her that she's under arrest. It also wouldn't cover any other drugs she might have taken, such as marijuana. It would be irresponsible of the officer to release her simply because she blew less than the legal limit.
At the end of the day, you were impaired operating a motor vehicle. Okay. 0.08 is the legal limit. Understand that.
I do, but I mean, I admit to having a glass of wine at lunch, and I'm trying to be honest and
I
and be a
appreciate
good
that.
person. I mean,
I'm not saying you're not a good person, Kelly. I'm not. I'm
No,
not here to
that-
judge
that-
you.
Yeah, that's
I'm
not
not
anybody's
here to
judgment.
pass
I mean,
judgment.
but
That's not my job. Okay, my job is to investigate what has happened. Okay, and what I see.
Please,
and
just can you just take?
Kelly.
Can I just go home, please?
No. Okay. So now we're going down a road that could result in more charges if you get to the point where you're bribing me. So let's not do that.
I'm not
I know.
bribing you.
So let's not go there.
Can
Okay.
you call Jared Flores? I mean, can something happen? I mean,
Who's Jared Flores? Do you want to leave these in your car?
please don't
Do you want to take them with you?
Like, my kids are at home, please.
Kelly,
Please do not. Please
Okay,
don't do this.
listen to me. Do you want to take your
I'm
phone?
literally trying my best.
Do you want to take your phone?
I am doing my best here, sir.
Kelly, don't make it worse. Just cooperate with me, okay? Do you want to take your phone?
I'm not trying to not cooperate.
I know.
Like,
I know.
please don't arrest me.
All right.
Please, sir.
Do you want to take your phone?
Please, sir. Like, I don't.
Kelly, do you want to take your phone? Please give me your driver's license, Kelly. That's what I need right now from you is your driver's license. And we're going to take your phone. That way you have it because you're going to need numbers out of it. I'm sure of it.
My driver's license. I gave it to you, and it's missing.
Yes, ma'am. I gave you your paperwork. Remember all that paperwork I gave you?
Yes.
This brief lapse in her short-term memory is one of the most clear signs that she's under the influence. Some people are quite good at pretending to be sober, but they'll still generally have issues with their memory.
Do you know? Kelly, did you set it in your purse?
I might have a. I don't know.
It's all okay, Kelly. It's all okay.
It's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. Can I not just take a breathalyzer and go home?
Go ahead.
Is that not a possibility?
I'll give you the option to take a breathalyzer. I will.
If I pass, can I go home?
You're okay. It's okay. All right. It's okay. Breathe for me. Breathe for me. Breathe. Let me go put your cell phone in my car, okay? I'll let you.
Please don't take my cell phone. Please don't.
You're going to need it, though.
May I make a call?
Yeah, I can't let you call nobody right now, but you're going to need your phone. Do you not want it? You understand that, right?
I'm trying,
That's up to a
but I'm
judge.
trying to understand. What would you do?
Oh,
What would
absolutely
you do?
not, ma'am.
What-
I cannot
what would
give
you
my
have your
personal.
wife do?
I cannot give you my personal opinion.
Oh,
That would be
well,
extremely unprofessional of me. If I give you
considering
my,
you're a public servant. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Anyways,
That would be very
but-
unprofessional of me.
But what I'm saying to you is that what would you advise your mother to do? What would you advise your sister to do?
I
What would you?
can't do hypotheticals, Kelly. I'm sorry. When you sign for a driver's license, okay, when you get your driver's license, you say, okay, all right, I understand that I will not operate a motor vehicle under the influence of intoxicated liquor or drug, okay? Well, whenever,
Yes.
what happened, Kelly, I asked you not to text people.
Can I just have my mom pick up my kids? I can't say come get my
I
kids.
will allow you to make phone calls whenever you get to the jail. With me being here by myself, I cannot allow you to make phone calls or texts.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, this is your mom. If you want to talk to her, talk to her.
Mom, I got in a car wreck and they're arresting me. So I.
Take your time, I'm good.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
So if you're good, brother, once we get her out of here, if you'll hook it up,
Just do what you gotta do.
Okay.
I'm good.
That'll work. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine.
All right, Kelly.
Well, because I think I'm drunk, but I'm not.
All right. If you'll open your mouth, lift your tongue up, lift your tongue, lift your tongue. Okay, there you go.
I don't. What, I know.
1731.
You're probably looking about $100, $150.
I can do that. It's not a problem. I'm asking.
No, I can do whatever you want.
Will you just tow it to my house, please? Because it was still running and fine. So
Yeah, but what the issue is, you're leaking fluids, and we're not going to want that all over the road. So I'm going to tow it. I'll take it to where you want it to go. That's not an issue.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now. I don't.
Okay.
I don't
Okay.
know.
Let me ask you a question.
I don't have like a husband or something to me what to do. Like I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with a car.
Kelly.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. On your vehicle, do you have full coverage insurance?
Yes.
Okay. I can tow it to your house, or I can tow it to my shop, and your insurance can come and get it adjusted or whatever.
What's your shop?
Right down the street over here on Green Street, on the other side of the bridge. But I can tow it wherever you want. Okay. If I tow it to your house, you can pay for it, and then your insurance can reimburse you.
Step up to the front for me. Stand right here. Stand right here. Kelly, you have to calm down for me. Okay, place your hands behind your back for me. Hold on. Okay, step back off the car for me. Okay, with the back of my hand, I'm going to search you, okay? All right.
Okay, you can search me. I don't have anything on me.
You have no pockets or anything like that, do you?
No, I'm wearing leggings.
Okay. Back of my hand. Okay. Nothing in your bra, right?
Nothing.
Okay. Watch your step, please. Watch your head as you get in. Be very careful getting in. Thank good. Oh, there you go. Good job. There you go. There you go. All right, so this is what we're gonna do, okay? I'm gonna take you back to the PD. You'll get your breath sample from you, and we'll get you over there, okay?
And then I can get bailed out, right?
I don't know how I'm not sure how all that works. That is not up to me, Kelly.
Usually when someone is arrested while intoxicated, they're put into a detox room in order to sober up before they can be bailed out.
Come on ahead and step out for me. That way we can get this taken care of. You're good.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, Kelly. It's okay. We're going in that door right there to the left. Good, brother? Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. All right, so what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to take the handcuffs off. All right.
Copy of the table.
Yes, ma'am.
See what's
I have no choice. All right. Required by policy. Kelly, look at me. Hey, look at me. Kelly, understand something. Okay?
It's not gonna be okay. You understand?
Understand.
It's not gonna be okay. You don't understand. You don't
As an
understand.
adult, everybody makes mistakes, right?
It's not gonna be okay. You don't understand. It's not gonna be okay.
It's all going to work out. Kelly, I can't speak to you when you're crying. It's all going to be okay.
You don't have an ex-husband with a lot of money. You don't understand. You don't understand.
It's all going to be okay. Let me get
No,
this paperwork
it's not
done,
gonna
okay?
be okay.
Let me get this paperwork done. All right.
What
Let me get this paperwork done.
do you mean?
Notice of revocation. Your driving privilege will be revoked in 20 days. Request for a hearing. You may request a hearing on
In
this
20
revocation.
days, for 20 days or in 20 days? I'm sorry.
In 20 days. In 20
So
days.
I can drive until the 20 days and then they're going to take it away?
Hold on. Let me finish reading it. I'll let you read it. If you want to read it?
I do.
Okay,
I want
yeah,
to read it.
there you go.
Okay.
Okay, starts right here.
I'm sorry. I
Nope,
read
you're
better
fine.
than I hear.
I understand.
I'm sorry.
Right there. Just start right there. That's where this
In 20
information.
days. It doesn't matter what happens. This still happens?
No, ma'am. You have to read it.
Okay, but you're telling me it doesn't matter what, like if I blow or it doesn't. This is still like a thing.
Let me read it to you, okay?
Okay.
Investigation. There's no Miranda.
Investigation.
There's no Miranda
You also
required.
basically said that I passed the sobriety test because you didn't check that. So I passed the sobriety test.
There's no pass or fail.
They're kind of, then why give them?
That's how the circumstances.
Then why give them?
Field sobriety tests are given because they're a good indicator of whether or not someone is impaired, but they are not proof. They're only done to help the officer make a decision. Ultimately, whether or not you are arrested is at the officer's discretion, which can later be fought in court if the person believes the officer was unjust in the arrest.
You gotta blow hard.
Blow hard, blow hard, blow hard.
Tell tones.
Keep going, keep
It's
going.
gotta make a tone.
I'm trying. I'm a smoker. I'm trying.
Blow out.
Here, take your piece off and then turn it around.
Okay.
Yeah, turn your piece around.
I know.
There you go. There you
I'm,
go.
I mean, I'm
There you go. Nah, I shouldn't
not.
work.
I'm.
No, you're
Blow-
fine.
blow
Go ahead,
hard.
Kelly. Go hard.
Whatever you want
It'll
me to
shoot
do.
tone.
That's something.
No, you're fine. There you go. Blow. No, keep blowing.
blowing.
You gotta blow till his tone stops. It's not toning yet. There you go. There you go. No.
Try it again. Deep breath.
I'm sorry. I'm
I
trying.
got you.
I'm trying.
Okay,
I'm
let's
trying.
try it again.
All right, you're doing fine. Deep breath and blow. When it starts to tone, just keep going until it stops toning. Come on.
I'm trying not to
Let's
be.
go back in here and I'll explain this to you again. Okay, come on, Kelly.
Okay, I'm not
Let's go
trying to
in
be
here.
in trouble. I'm trying to
No,
not
you're fine.
comply.
No, you did fine. You did fine. All right. So you want a blood test, right?
I said I'd do that again, but you're
I
not
can't.
giving me that option.
I can't do that again.
I-
Do you want a blood test, or it's entirely up to you?
I don't even know what my options are at this point. Like
You have the right to request a blood test. I
You're
gave
telling
you.
me you don't know anything about the
Okay.
laws, but yet you're a cop. I mean,
I can't.
it's very
You're
confused.
asking for legal advice from me, and I can't give you legal
No, I'm
advice.
asking the laws. What's the actual laws say?
You gave a breast sample. You
But
you
the
complied with
second one
what-
didn't go through, so it didn't. That's not actually
Hey, call me
compliant.
if you need anything.
Okay,
That's
thanks,
actually
buddy.
not legit then, because the second one didn't go through.
Listen to me. You gave a breast sample, correct?
I'm trying here, is what I'm telling you.
No, you did give a breast sample.
She did give a breath sample, which came back as a .14. If she had taken one earlier, like she'd requested, she probably would have come in at double the legal limit. Kelly was indeed charged with DWI, and according to all available information about the case online, she didn't try to appeal the decision in court. Kelly was upset, but at the very least, she remained mostly calm throughout the ordeal. This next Karen, however, definitely knows how to use her vocal cords.
What's going on? Okay. Has she stolen anything?
No.
Excuse me, ma'am. The big problem is they want you to leave. They've asked you to leave. This is a private business. They can ask anybody to leave that they want to leave.
I can't come back.
On April 6, 2022, Florida officers responded to a retailer requesting that a disruptive customer be removed from their store. The Karen has been trying on clothing in the middle of the store, and when asked by management to leave, she refused and became aggressive towards them. Unfortunately, as expected, she wasn't going to go with them voluntarily.
Well, they do want to trespass you, I believe. But the most important thing is if a business owner asks you to leave, you're supposed to leave the premises. You can actually be arrested
He
for that.
actually told me that he wasn't the owner and that he was just a manager.
Well, the manager said she had asked you to leave as well. Bottom line is, though, if a business asks you to leave, you have to leave. It's a private business; they can do that. Someone can do it at their house too. If you're at someone's house and they say, "Hey, Jasmine, we want you to leave," and you say no.
They didn't say they didn't want me to leave. They said they wanted me to stop trying on their shit.
Okay. Well, it may have been a miscommunication. What she told me was that they asked you to leave and you got nasty and were swearing and just making a fuss.
He said, you said, suck my dick, and I was like, well, I don't
Well, we don't need to repeat that anymore.
Why would I say that to you, sir?
Demi Moore said it, and G.I. Jane worked for her.
Huh?
Sorry, a little bit before your time. Are you a manager?
Yeah.
Okay. Just tell her she's not welcome back, and we're good.
You are trespassed. You're not welcome in the office.
Okay.
And how long are you
So, Jasmine, hold on. Listen for a second. Have you ever been trespassed anywhere before?
No.
Okay. So the way this works is if you come back for any reason within the next year, that's as long as it can be valid for.
It's just a year?
This next year, listen carefully, if you come back for any reason, you can go to jail. Okay, so you can go anywhere else in the mall. That depends on the judge.
What the officer said here isn't necessarily true. Trespasses can be and often are permanent, but the default amount of time that the business is required to keep all their paperwork in order for the trespass is 1 year.
You need to leave right now, otherwise I'll take you to jail today.
I'm going to leave right now, but I'm going to come back in here regardless because...
If you do, they're going to tell us...
take me to jail,
yes,
yeah, but I'm not going to be in jail for long, and then they're just going to let me come
So
out.
Jasmine, I need you to leave right now or you're going to go to jail today. The state of Florida prefers, in cases like this, that we issue what's called a trespass warning. That's basically a civil... Not shocking. Was that their...
Yeah, it was.
Do you want to follow up on that?
Did you want to do anything? She beat whenever she walked out. Just let it go.
I kind of figured something was out.
Do you want to follow up on it or no?
I mean, I don't know if we could check her bag, then yeah.
Well, we have reasonable suspicion at this point.
Is that what you want?
Hey Jasmine, when you went through the security checkpoint, your bag went off, okay? I'm gonna need to check your bag to make sure you didn't steal any merchandise.
This is the shirt that, what's it called? These are my pants, my sweatpants.
Okay, hold on, I need you to put this down for me. I don't want you reaching in there anymore. Stop right now.
Get off my bag.
Let go, Jasmine.
Get off my bag, bro.
Jasmine, you need to let go.
Get off my bag. Relax. Get off my bag.
Relax, let go of the bag. I'm going to search it.
Stop touching me and get the off my bag. I'm gonna
If you don't relax,
Hey.
you're gonna end up getting an additional charge if you don't stop it.
A detector going off does give officers reasonable suspicion to search a person's belongings.
Stop.
Don't you dare.
Don't you bite him.
Keep your head.
Can you call my dad?
Not right now.
Call him, bro.
In a minute. In a minute.
I'm going to jail. Stop him. Call my dad
Okay.
so he can know I'm going to jail.
You're gonna stand up, and I'm gonna have this officer search you. Do you have anything on you gonna get you in trouble or get her hurt? Stand up for me.
Stand up,
Stand up.
Trying to down. Well, then stand up. But those are my polo pants that I bought.
Okay, we're gonna sort that all out.
You need another 177.
All right, I'll hold on to. You want to search, or you want to hold on to while I search the bag? Okay.
130 about to get out with me.
Do me a favor, go grab that manager, bring him over here.
177, go ahead, you're swinging.
Those are polo pants from Dukes.
Florida tag. Golf, Charlie, X-ray, Lima, 6-3.
You were planning on what?
Going somewhere tomorrow so I can put those on.
Okay. Are either of these yours?
Yeah, this is ours.
Okay.
I'm not accepting my crash and warmer.
No, no ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. Make them a little tighter on her. She's got little
right.
wrists. She's trying to take them off. Here, let's just... Stop. Stop. Bitch, what the You need to stop.
Stop resisting arrest or I'm going to charge you. All right, that's battery.
One that's touching me.
Then stop.
You are under arrest for shoplifting.
Okay, for how long?
We will worry about that later. Stop resisting. Stop trying to scratch me. Stop trying to scratch me.
Stop. Then stop.
Stop you doing all that shit, bro.
Stop.
Stop. You have to calm down. I'm going to tighten the cuffs to keep you from escaping.
Then calm down.
She's scratching.
What about that other shirt in there?
You just got yourself a felony charge, Jasmine.
Let's go take her to your car,
Okay.
and we'll come back and deal with this.
You are not getting away. Stop it. Stop. Stop resisting.
Stop, Jasmine.
You are going to jail today. It is happening. Stop resisting.
Walk.
It's almost a stereotype at this point for Karens to act like this. They're belligerent and don't follow directions, and then when that doesn't work out for them, they act like it's the officer's fault that they aren't getting their way. It's like they're toddlers.
Act like an adult. Hold on.
You got another officer. We'll drag her. You're not getting the cuffs off. Stop it.
Stop. What are you doing? You let
Stop kicking me.
I'm not kicking you. I'm trying to get out.
Well, you can't get out. Stop.
This is not a game, Jasmine.
So when do I get out? Today?
Well, you're going to have a very high bond, so it'll depend on how much money you have.
Which was only $40 stolen?
You battered a law enforcement officer and you resisted arrest.
I didn't battery you.
Okay, talk to your lawyer about that.
Jasmine was arrested and eventually charged with trespassing, theft, battery on a law enforcement officer, and resisting arrest. Unfortunately, there isn't any information on how her sentencing went. Jasmine fought hard against the police, but it's nothing compared to how this next Karen resisted.
Get out! Get out!
Hey, police department. Police department.
Get out!
Okay. Hey,
you're not moving
let's
fast
stop screaming.
enough.
Stop screaming.
On January 18th, 2022, an officer responded to a reported case of domestic violence. One of the employees at the property informed the officer that a male and female had been involved in an altercation for a while. As soon as the officer approached, the woman became aggressive, and you'll learn quite quickly that a domestic violence charge is the least of Tabitha's worries.
Get out! Good!
Hey, no.
Great, gone.
No. You're not. Stay right there.
Excuse me, I'm the one bleeding!
Okay. What's your name?
Like, you.
Paul.
You.
Wait for me here, my partner.
You! I'm the one bleeding!
I need you to stop screaming, okay?
No! He needs to get the out!
He's out.
Finally!
The rest of my clothes.
Okay, sit down for me.
No!
I'm gonna put you in
Get out!
I'm gonna put you in
Get out! This is my place! Get the out! Do not touch me!
Stop.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! You said my fingers out! Don't touch me! No! Ow! 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 Oh, you're hurting me!
Alright, stop. You relax.
No! Let me go!
Let me double lock you.
Let me go! Oh, you hurt my arm so bad, you
So what? Did you talk to you already?
You don't understand my arm is
Huh?
Just yelling.
What's your name?
I won't touch you, I swear to God, I won't touch you, but my right arm is really hurting, it's really hurting, please let it go.
Generally, officers treat people much nicer when they're cooperative and don't scream incessantly at them for several minutes. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem like she's ever going to learn that lesson.
coming. Hey, we're not gonna take off you, okay?
I don't give a you stupid. I don't give a you stupid. You're a stupid. You're a stupid. That's what I think about the goddamn police. But my arm is hurting. Please let it go.
Well, that's what happens when you kick the police.
My right arm. Well, you shouldn't come in my fucking house, you stupid.
I'm not gonna get out of the handcuffs.
This is my house, you stupid. You don't come and attack me in my own goddamn house and expect not to get kicked, you stupid. You.
Stop.
You. I'm the one who's been hit. I'm bleeding from my nose. Yet I'm the one in cuffs. You don't just come in someone's house and expect not to get kicked. This is my house. Get out. Get away from me. Don't talk to me, stupid.
Did anything happen between you and
Yeah, do you see my nose? Do you not see me bleeding?
Okay, so what happened?
Get away from me. Like, it doesn't matter. I'm the one in cuffs.
Yeah, but I'm asking you what happened.
It doesn't matter, obviously.
Okay, so you don't want
You're on his side, right?
The officers aren't on anyone's side. They will, on average, ask more questions and talk more with the person who is more calm and cooperative. So she isn't doing herself any favors in that regard. Even so, she wasn't cuffed because she was under arrest, she was cuffed because she was presenting as a danger to the officers and to herself.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you. If you don't behave and cooperate,
If I don't behave?
listen, I'm
Yeah!
gonna put you in a wrap, and you're not gonna be able to move.
I can't move already, stupid!
Okay, so can you scoot yourself over this way then?
Yes!
Thank you.
Don't touch me.
I'm not.
I'll do what you ask.
Thank
Just
you.
don't put your hands on me ever again. Either one of you.
You wanna just grab your stuff? Do you need those bags or?
Don't touch me!
I'm not touching you.
Get the away from me! I'm not near him, stupid! I'm in cuffs! Yeah, he's the victim. Even though I'm the one bleeding. Idiot. Yeah, you've got some mental health problems too, you stupid.
Stop talking to him.
No, I'm not gonna stop talking to him. Get out of my house! I don't need you to supervise me. Get the out! Get out! Get out! Two men were standing on top of me.
Hey, let me talk to him. Shut
No,
up.
I'm one woman and two of you were standing on top of me. It didn't take two of you to subdue
Yeah, well, you
me.
kicked us.
You It didn't take two of you. You touch me again. Don't touch me. You get the away from me.
Talk to him. Talk to him.
If you'll take me on these because I promise I won't hit you, but my God, I don't understand why I'm the one that got hit and I'm still in cuffs.
I understand. You have to promise me you're not going to be rude to the officers here.
He needs to get the out of my house. That's what he needs to do. Get the out of my house.
I'm not
going to help your situation.
He doesn't need to help.
I get it, but
I don't want him to touch me.
I get it.
Just in my lifetime, so yeah, I'm not very happy about being in cuffs and having all these men stand around me. I need them to get away from me. No, you're the one who put your knee in my back, you stupid. I don't want you to talk to me. I want you to get out of my house.
It should be noted at this point that this isn't her house, as she repeatedly calls it. They are staying in a hotel room.
Is that what you're doing? You're getting your story straight? Oh, she might have hit me. She might have hit me.
Does it have her birthday on there?
Can we make sure that we can charge her with something? You don't actually have cameras like they talked about? Get out of my room. Why are there three of you in here now? Get out! Get out! Get out of my room! Get out of my room! Get out! Get out! Yeah, and obviously I was the one getting hit, yet I'm the one going to jail.
Well, you attacked the officers. That's
because you don't come in, you're men, you come in a woman's house and you don't think she should fight back?
The officers were there to assist with the domestic disturbance. That means that no, obviously she should not fight back, especially when they didn't do anything to her before she went crazy on them.
Look, let's quit discussing officers. If we're going to put her on the rack, let's put her on the rack.
Get away from me!
Tabitha, just stop.
Get away from me! Please just let me walk out. I will pull up my own pants. Do not do that to me, please.
Are you gonna walk out like an adult?
Yes!
Oh, wonderful.
Don't do that to me.
The officers are resisting. We're gonna put you in this, okay? We want to get you on the gurney.
I just want to pull up my pants. How much is that to ask a person?
They're gonna help you up, okay?
I don't need your help. Don't touch me, dude.
Hey, you gotta start being reasonable, man.
I don't need a man to touch me. Don't get away from me.
It's a female.
Do we have a gurney that we can put her on so we can get her down?
It is insane, genuinely insane, that someone who just went through a domestic violence dispute would undermine an assault on an officer like that. She absolutely had the potential to seriously injure the peace officers who were only trying to help her. Tabitha was charged with 2 counts of battery on a peace officer, resisting arrest, and disturbance of the peace. There isn't any additional information about her case yet, so if you'd like to be kept up to date, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll make sure you hear all the new information about all of these cases. Tabitha did do something wrong, but she was also hurt in this scenario. This next Karen, however, freaks out for something completely unexpected.
Come on in real quick, please.
Alright, Deja. So, they got you on camera, basically taking money from the register.
On November 24th, 2023, officers responded to a theft in progress at a Walmart. A cashier had reportedly been stealing money from the cash register for quite a while. The woman denied stealing, of course, and began to argue with the officers. Unfortunately for her, and as you'll quickly learn, Walmart knows very well how to make sure any theft is punished.
Money? Where?
Yeah. They got you on camera. Would you be able to empty out your pockets?
Do you have anything else in your pockets?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna have you go ahead, place your items right there. I'm gonna have you turn and face the wall right here. I'm gonna pat you down. You got nothing on you?
Which pocket did she put
Put
in?
your hands behind your head, or like
This one?
not behind your head. There you go.
This one?
I didn't take anything. I have my own money.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's on camera.
Can I see for myself, please?
I'm going to show you the pictures just to show
Oh,
you.
that's
There's
fine.
a camera like literally right
I
above
know,
you.
I know that. Of course.
So here's the times that I guess you were taking it the other days, right? The other days? And this
Yeah, that's mine, sir.
Okay.
One common thing with these Karens and thieves in general is that they're very protective of their property, while not caring at all who owns what they're stealing. Several commenters point this out.
What I'm gonna need you to do is write a statement about why you have this money and explain to us what has happened on these previous days.
How can I know what happened
Okay.
if
Well,
it looked like I'm taking money out of the drawer?
I'm just letting you know, it's all in video, okay? So, I need you to write a statement about what has happened with this money that we have missing from your registers that you've been on. Okay?
Like, what do I'm confused. What do
So you right?
I hear him.
Okay.
I hear him.
Okay.
Like, y'all gonna make me mad. I'm being calm right now because I'm trying to see what's
Okay,
going on.
we're being calm too. We're just explaining what you need to do. Okay? I'm just letting you know.
That's
This is all
understandable.
documentation of all
I'm
this
trying
money.
to see
This is all
what was-
documentation of money that has been taken from the register that you worked on. Okay? These are still photos, yes, and we do have videos of it. Okay? So we're not just because these still photos are showing where your hands are at. This is not changing anything from the video.
I didn't take anything.
So I'm just letting you know. We already have it documented, a video and everything of you getting the money. Okay?
This is my shit that I bought for my money.
Okay, man.
Write the
listen.
statement.
We're gonna.
This is
keep
my
your
stuff
out.
though. What y'all
Okay, right now you're in
mean?
custody, okay? So I need you
Custody
to get
for
your
what?
stuff out. All right, just write the statement. That's fine.
Like, this is my stuff I bought with my money. Why
Okay,
can't I
so
put
then
it back
write
in
that
my-
on the statement.
I
so that
am.
we can, okay, you don't need to yell at me. Do what they're
I'm
told
grown
you to
as
do.
hell. Don't talk to me how I'm not talking to you. I'm talking
Okay,
to you.
right now you're still at work, so you're gonna do what work's gonna ask you to do, and to write that
I
statement.
am, but
So
let them, my people, the people that I'm working for, let them talk to me, please.
Okay,
Y'all
well,
don't
they
have
call
to.
us
This is right what happened. It's already documented. It's already in video.
I want to
Okay,
see
so
what happened. That's why
I'm telling you what happened.
I'm not talking to y'all, please.
I'm talking to you.
But I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to him.
I'm telling you what's happened. Okay.
Okay, but like, what?
Seen on
How
video,
am I?
taking money from the registers and putting it in your
So
vest
that's
pocket.
what y'all seen.
Okay.
And that's what I didn't do.
Companies are not required in the slightest to show the incriminating video to the person being incriminated. In fact, usually, companies won't show the video so that the person may say something to incriminate themselves without having the knowledge of what happened on the video.
It's okay. I don't want to write no statement.
You want to put it under, if you don't want to write no statement, then you can put an X
I
in there.
don't want to write no statement.
Well, then you're gonna initial it. You put it in there. I don't want to put no statement. You can initial it. Okay. Right.
So y'all go.
Right.
Y'all
No
go
statement and
force
initial
me
it
to
with
write
your.
a statement or
Right. No
something.
statement and then initial it. Okay. So this way I can't put in there that you did something.
Here you go, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now you can remove your vest. Okay. That's on my property. You have a work phone.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So you can put that vest, the work phone here. Place it right here. Did you get a discount card yet?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so the work vest and your ID and your work phone, you can place it right here.
Okay. So y'all saying that I took something out y'all door.
Look at videos.
So what y'all finna do?
arrest you.
Arrest me?
Yeah. So you're gonna do what they told you to do: is get back on.
Why is y'all arresting me?
Because you're under arrest for stealing.
I didn't steal anything.
Okay, just take off your vest so then we can get out of here.
Okay, can I go home? I didn't steal shit. Like, I'm not even from out here.
Can you work phone?
Bro, don't touch me. I gotta get my shit. I gotta get my stuff. Oh, I'm not even from out here. I did not steal anything. Okay. I got it. Okay. You just broke my. Okay. Can I turn around? Ow!
Stop resisting.
I'm gonna tease you. Y'all hurting me.
Your hands behind your back or I'm gonna tase you.
You're hurting me.
Fine.
No, he's hurting me. Oh, y'all serious
Now
right
you're under arrest
now?
for resisting.
What you mean? I just finna turn around, y'all. Can I get my belongings? What you mean? I'll take that shit. I'm gonna take you.
Get off the ground.
I swear to God, y'all.
32, son of 52 too. She's bleeding.
You did it.
You
Why? No, I did it.
Yes, you did.
No, I promise I did it.
Stop tensing up your hands.
It burned, man. Like, I'm not doing any. Y'all already got me in the handcuffs. Where can I go?
You're getting an ambulance to get checked out. Just calm down.
What? Like, that don't even make sense. Y'all hurt me and then put me in an ambulance. What?
That's why you're getting.
Y'all did this, bro. After the fact,
Why did you resist arrest?
I did it.
Okay.
I did it. I asked,
So
like,
you
can I
throwing the
get my
phone at her?
thing?
So you throwing your phone at
I
her?
did. Oh my granny, oh my cousin
on
granny
video.
that's tatted on me, G.
It's on
I did
video.
not hit her.
Well, you're on a body camera, so.
Right. Y'all did all that. After the fact, I asked y'all politely, can I go in the back and get my thing?
All right. We got a 52 en route.
Y'all don't all three have to hold me, G.
It's coming from her finger right here. Yeah. Just wait for the
I
ambulance.
appreciate it.
Can I sit down, please? Oh my God.
Are you gonna be calm?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Good.
They broke my nail.
66.
They broke my nail.
Okay. You want to go to the hospital and get checked out?
No.
It has transaction history and all that stuff.
Yes, and I can show y'all.
Well, then you can print that out and bring it to court.
But that is.
I'll bring it too. I'll bring it too.
What you mean, bring it? That is mine.
Go to court. They're gonna sit there and say.
I have a bill to pay, and that's why I took it out of my transaction.
I've seen nothing
You're
else.
gonna get it out of your bank account. You show that transaction. We got our videos.
What the fuck, bro?
Yep, so I'm taking them.
Oh, good. Yours, and we'll get back to you.
How I'm gonna get it back? I'm confused.
So you have fake IDs?
Yeah, I do. I'm young. I'm 20 years old.
Okay.
She says that as if it makes it okay. Even owning a fake ID is a crime, let alone using it to get into places in public.
You're not gonna get a break sitting here fighting with officers.
I'm not fighting. I was never even fighting them. I asked them nicely, can I get my things? And he right here, he broke my nail and some more shit. And
you put your hands behind your back when he told you to? Okay.
I was right here. When I was right here, I got up. And that's when he did all this, everything. I don't have to lie about that.
I found them in my pocket. I know they were yours because they were wrapped around the phone. So.
Okay.
All right. Well, we're ready to transport you. So, will you behave? Will you be good?
Good.
Okay. Just watch your head, okay? I'm gonna put a seatbelt over you.
Thank you.
This Karen was arrested and charged with theft, resisting arrest, and aggravated assault. Unfortunately, there isn't much information online about what happened after that. She fought the arrest, but as you'll see in this next case, resistance can be a whole lot worse.
Do you guys want anything done with her or no? You want anything done with her or no?
I want to never be allowed in this building.
Okay. Fuck this. Hold up. Hey! Slow down. Hey! Knock it off. Stop! Stop! Stop!
I don't know shit. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? Stop touching me! Stop touching me! I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything! Why are you touching me?
On July 8th, 2023, officers responded to a reported battery. The caller advised that an employee who had just been fired was acting agitated and had pushed a chair toward another employee before battering them. Backup was called in to assist the officers, and you'll see why that was needed.
I'm not doing anything!
You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
You threw a chair at somebody.
I didn't throw a chair at nobody!
Yes.
No, I did not! I walked off the premises! I didn't do anything! Stop it!
This is yet another example of a Karen saying that she did nothing wrong after running from the police. As always, even if you're completely innocent, if you run away from the police, you're going to catch a charge for that alone.
I didn't do anything! I walked into the mall! Let's go. I didn't throw anything! Let me go! I didn't do anything! What are y'all bothering me for? What are y'all bothering me for? For nothing! I didn't do anything! I didn't do nothing!
If you
Who
calm down.
know me?
Face the wall.
I'm not doing anything! What are y'all following me for? Get off of me! I didn't do anything! Y'all didn't see me do nothing! Get off of me! Nope. Get off my knee! Get off my knee, bro. Hey, my knee is bad! Get off my knee!
Ma'am, you need to relax.
I didn't do nothing! I'm gonna relax and do shit!
You're under arrest for multiple charges.
Do not kick him.
I didn't kick him!
Do not kick him.
I didn't kick him! Do it look like I kicked him? He would have said if I would have kicked him! Goofy! I didn't do nothing! What are y'all taking me for? Y'all nuts, bro! I didn't do nothing! I didn't do anything! What are y'all taking me for?
You're under arrest for throwing a chair.
I didn't throw a chair at nobody!
You're under arrest for resisting arrest, for battery on Officer Lamb.
I didn't touch him!
Have a seat.
I didn't touch him!
Put your legs in the car.
I didn't touch him!
We're not doing this.
How can I touch him with my hands cuffed? I can't touch him with my hands cuffed!
Put your knee in the car.
I can't touch him with my hands
We're not doing
cuffed!
this. Really? Put your leg in the
I didn't touch him!
Sit. Like an adult. Are you kidding me?
I didn't touch him!
Okay, then we'll
My hands are cuffed! Did I
Keep your
touch
leg
you?
in the vehicle. Keep your leg in this car.
Did I touch you?
Put your leg in this car.
Did I touch you?
Keep your leg
Did
in
I
this car.
touch you? Did I touch you? Did I touch you? You know I didn't touch you.
Dude, you got leg shackles in your spine? Yeah.
You didn't touch me.
Hey, you're going either way, okay?
I didn't do anything.
Right, so this could be a misdemeanor right now, right?
It's nothing because I didn't do anything.
Okay, fine. Then if you didn't say anything, we review the cameras when you get out of here, okay? But you gotta work.
Exactly right. Exactly right. Because I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
I told her you need to leave the building. I'm not leaving.
So
you
she
need
made
to
a
go.
scene and
So-
refused to leave. Ma'am, are you good? Do you need an ambulance or anything? Okay.
So she was running around here trying to get her stuff, and we're following her around. She's screaming out front in front of everybody else. We're like, you need to get out of the building. So she
caused the scene, basically.
Yes.
Okay.
So then she finally went out the back door, but then she realized she forgot something. Then she tried pushing us all the way. Now at some point she threw something. She threw the chair at her, but I was trying to stop her though.
Do you have any injuries on you? Do you have?
There's somebody back there. There's somebody back there.
Let me give you this. Let me go get. I'm gonna get a PD. I'm gonna get a phone. I'm gonna take pictures of that. Okay.
I didn't do anything. I'm
Keep
walking
your hand
to the
behind your
bus.
back now.
You see it. I'm walking from a job that just fired me.
Okay.
And you exactly for nothing.
Let's just slip out.
I'm walking from a job that just fired me. You see it. Can you please call on it, please? I'm a woman. A black woman. Which is why they're doing it. You know. You see it.
Have a seat. Ma'am, you're going to the police station. And this
Come
is
on,
only making
work
it
with me.
worse.
Y'all not listening.
No, you're gonna listen to me.
You're not listening.
You're gonna listen to me.
I didn't throw a
Either
chair.
You're going to get in this car.
Y'all gonna watch
or we're
the
gonna bring you in,
cameras.
We're gonna put you in. Right. So if we watch the cameras, there's no chair. You're gone.
Exactly. That's what I'm telling you. Why don't you take my word? I'm not the one that called y'all. They fired me off something stupid.
3 seconds.
You've seen me off the job.
Okay.
Everybody spit if I spit out. Hulk on your ass. If I wanted to spit out, Hulk on your ass. If I wanted to spit out, Hulk on you. If I wanted
Get your feet in the vehicle.
If I wanted to spit out, Hulk on her ass. If I wanted to spit.
To force you out, we just want you to come out. Either way, you're going to be here.
Y'all force me in, force me out. Ain't no okay. It's not okay. That's the y'all problem. It's not okay. What you talking about? Talking about okay. It's not okay.
You gotta step out. We're not.
I'm not stepping out of shit. Pull me out like y'all put me in. Told you I didn't do anything. I'm unarmed. Didn't do anything. But they pushed me in here like I did something. I got fired from the only job that I have. I have a right to be upset. Being fired for nothing.
She has the right to be upset, but she does not have the right to resist arrest or commit battery on the officers.
They let motherfuckers drink, smoke weed, do coke in the parking lot, but I get fired?
Workers do that?
Yeah! Y'all should do your job and check them, not pushing me in a car.
We're gonna come out here. We do that all in here. It's nice and air conditioned. I got hot pockets. I got Coca-Cola.
I don't care about that. I want to go home. I gotta find another job. You got a job.
You know how you go home?
You don't understand it.
We go in there, and that's how we start to go home. Okay?
I'm not paying nothing. I didn't do nothing. I should not be here. You don't understand that. I didn't do anything. I'm not paying a bond. I'm not paying nothing. I don't have nothing. I don't have a job.
Did I ever say you had to pay a bond?
No, I've never been here. What are you talking about? I've never been in jail. Y'all not understand
That don't
it.
cost nothing.
No, y'all acting as if I'm a criminal like I've been here, but I don't know this.
No, I called you Faith. I never called you criminal.
You weren't there. Like I'm telling you, you weren't there.
Where I am. Come on in where I am. Okay?
Yeah, I don't want my other wrist to be this red and bruised up.
Okay. All right. How tight is it? Let me see.
Tight enough that it hurts. Tight enough for me to ask you to loosen it.
So our policy right now is if we could fit a finger in there, it's
Man, I took it off before. Can you please loosen it?
No, I can't. Okay, Faith, so I'm going to read you your rights right now, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Do you want to talk to me about kind of like what happened today or anything like that?
I figured at this point you know what happened or what they told you. So
Right. I mean, I know what happened, but I'm asking if you want to talk about it.
you tell me what you thought happened.
I don't know what I thought happened. I could see what happened on the videos.
Tell me, please. What you seen? And then I could vouch for myself.
Okay.
No, you tell me first. Go ahead. Because I really want to know what they told you and what you seen.
Okay. So from what I know and from what I saw on the cameras, you had a conversation in the back, like the back, I don't know, Dave and Buster's
Private
or something
area.
like that.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what the conversation was over because there's no audio, but I was told that you were being terminated for I don't know what reason. Okay. You got upset. You stormed out of there. You went like into the main area
Yeah, to
with the
grab
people.
my bag in
Okay.
the front from the closet where I always keep my stuff. Yeah.
Okay. And then you turned around and went back in there, right?
Yeah, I went out the back door where I always go.
Okay.
That's where employees go.
Somewhere, and that's fine. Somewhere in that, you pushed like a chair. I don't think you really threw a chair, but you pushed a chair. It hit a lady's knee. She got kind of cut up, and then there was some kind of argument that took place, like in the back by the garbage area
I was trying
outside.
to get my phone. They wouldn't
Yeah,
let me get my phone.
it looked like someone went back and got your stuff for you, handed it to you through the door, and then you walked over to Von Mauer.
Yeah, I was trying to catch the bus home.
Okay.
I didn't have a car.
Okay.
That was the only job I had.
And then when officers tried to talk to you, there was an
Yeah, because
altercation.
I didn't understand what the heck. They
Okay.
didn't have no right to stop me from walking into the mall. Because I supposedly, like you said, pushed a chair. I didn't throw a chair at anybody, but that's what they said that happened. But you seen for yourself that's not what happened, right? Okay, what did you see? Did you see me pick up a chair physically and throw it?
I just told you I didn't see that.
Okay, that's what I'm asking you. So you said there was another chair thrown.
That's why I'm having a conversation with
I'm
you.
trying to understand what you're saying though. She was sitting right there as I pushed the chair out the way and going out the door, man. Come on, I didn't assault anybody.
But you pushing that chair and the chair hitting her, whether it was on purpose or not, that's why officers stopped to try to talk to you.
No, I can't be charged with anything. Are y'all kidding me?
You are. Okay, I'm telling you what you're being charged with, okay? Simple battery,
I didn't do anything. I cannot be charged with anything. I didn't do anything. You seen the video.
She was very much wrong about that, unfortunately for her. Faith was charged with resisting arrest, battery, and aggravated battery upon a peace officer. She was hysterical during the arrest, but at least mostly understandable. This next Karen, however, will make you question what you're hearing for all the wrong reasons.
She's trying to distract the girl. She puts her watch. After this, it's gonna come onto this. She leaves it over here. She puts her down right by the beer in the back, and she's gonna distract here. She comes up. She tries to distract the cashier.
On October 14th, 2022, officers responded to a reported retail theft. Upon their arrival, the store owner showed the CCTV footage of the incident, and the police took down all the information they could. 2 weeks later, on the 30th, the officers were able to track her down and arrest her. Her behavior, however, shows that she's been doing something far more illegal than simply shoplifting.
Hey, how you doing? Good, how are you? What are you guys doing over here?
Oh, he's gonna go to the bathroom.
You guys doing anything else?
No, somebody let the water run in.
So let the water running?
Yeah, the water was running when we came
Rebecca,
out.
right?
Yep.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
We gotta talk to you about something.
Oh, okay.
Hands behind your back.
What? What are you,
Oh, is
what
this
are you
Rebecca?
guys
I'm looking
doing?
for something right
Oh,
now,
okay. Why am I running from something?
Just put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Just put your hands behind your back.
What are you guys doing?
Stop.
Poopy.
Stop.
Hey, Poopy.
I'm pissing, hold on.
Help me here. What are you guys doing?
Stop.
Stop, please.
Just stop. Hey.
Stop. Poopy, help
Poopy,
me.
just get back over there.
Dude, I'm not playing. Why are you guys doing
Who is this guy? Hey.
Why?
Rebecca, please. You're gonna get extra charges. You're gonna get extra charges.
Okay, I'm sorry, but you're hurting me.
All right, relax. We gotta put cuffs on you.
Take my bag, Poopy.
No,
Please. Please, Poopy, take my bag. You guys are hurting me.
You gotta hold her.
Stop. What the
You're wanted for something.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. Don't resist.
Why?
Rebecca, stop.
Please, stop.
Becky.
Stop. Please, stop. Dude, I'm not playing.
Just
Poopy. What the
Becky.
No.
Okay, just calm down.
No.
Quit resisting.
No. Poopy, no. God damn it, no.
You're trying to take one of the custody.
Tell me what's going on. Just
Please tell me what's going on.
Rebecca.
What is going on?
Quit resisting.
What do I have a warrant for? You're gonna break my arm.
All right, stop
And I'm gonna
resisting.
press charges.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're hurting me. You're fucking hurting me.
Stop resisting.
10-6.
Let go of the handcuff. Stop resisting.
Ow.
Hold her. You gotta hold her, goddammit.
Please stop. Stop. Stop.
You got, bring the arm over here.
Why are you doing this?
You're wanted.
Please, why? For what?
You stole from 7-Eleven.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
When? I haven't even been out here. Can you please loosen this one? Please, please. This one, my left one, please. My hand is numb.
It's ironic the number of Karens who actively fight the police putting handcuffs on them and then turn around and complain about them being uncomfortable. If she was cooperative, they would have been able to put them on properly and they wouldn't hurt so much.
Why am I being arrested, bro?
For theft.
I didn't do it.
You didn't do it?
No. When?
About 2 weeks ago.
No, but I promise you I didn't.
Who's Poopy? What's his
The one
name?
that was out here. Ow.
What's his name?
I don't know his real name. He goes by Poopy. Oh, shit.
Why are you resisting like that?
Because I don't know what's going on.
We told you.
I didn't do nothing, though.
You're wanted for stealing.
I didn't do it.
Listen, you stole beer from the 7-Eleven.
No, I didn't.
The guy knows you there. You used to work there.
I know that. Why would I do that? I haven't even been over here. I mean, I swear I have not been over here. I promise that. I'm on probation. I just got out of jail for this stuff.
Yeah, but
I have not
stole.
done none. I promise I haven't done anything. I really haven't.
Okay, relax. Relax, I gotta read you your rights.
God,
You have the right to remain silent. When you went to 7-Eleven about a week and a half ago, you took the beer, right? A case of beer.
Oh, the Heineken, yes.
Right.
I remember that now.
Okay, and then so
I was forced to.
You was forced?
Yes, by them.
By them?
Yes.
Why are you still
That's the white car.
They forced you to do that?
Yeah.
Why?
They were supposed to take me over to my son's house.
No, my friend, why are you still?
They were taking me to my
Why are
son's
you
house.
still
They said,
hanging out with
stop
them
here
like
and go
that?
to
Why
the
did they force you to
bathroom.
do that though?
I don't know.
People online have pointed out some characteristics that point to Rebecca doing some form of hard drug.
So what happened? Like you...
Okay, I'm homeless, right? And I have nowhere to go. So I've been staying over at her house. The girl in the white car. And she's like, if you don't go there, you're going to have a place to live. I have nowhere to go. So I did.
So what happened? You took the beer?
I went out the store and the lady said, stop. So I dropped it and I ran.
You went past the register, went outside.
I went out the door.
So
and
that's a theft.
I got to the side and she said, stop. And I dropped the beer and I ran.
But that's a theft.
I did. I don't want to go to jail, please,
I'm sorry,
guys.
we got no choice. You got two or more convictions. We
Please
have to
just go to court, please.
listen to me. If you had cooperated, maybe, but you fought us. You
I
resisted
didn't know
us.
what was going on.
We told you wanted for something.
Yeah, for something what though? I haven't done nothing.
Yeah, that's why if you had cooperated,
I haven't done
let us
nothing,
place you
though.
in cuffs and let us explain it
I
to you.
didn't know. I'm scared.
No, justifiable reason.
Don't be scared.
I'm so scared. This jail is horrible, bro. Horrible.
Do you have any drugs here?
No, sir, I don't.
Is there any needles in here?
No, I don't do.
You promise?
I promise.
Because if there is, then you gotta tell me.
I swear there's not. I don't know what that clear thing is right there.
You don't know what?
That clear. I don't know what that is. That ain't mine. That is not mine. I was in the back seat with the girl.
The officer hasn't even noticed the container yet, and she felt the need to point out that it wasn't hers. That's not a very smart way to convince them that you aren't on drugs.
I feel like I'm being set up here.
I was over here trying to type, and you guys are over here doing God knows what.
I feel like I'm being set up.
Set up for what?
This.
I'm over here typing, and you're
I'm
over
sorry.
What is this?
It's a sex toy, I'm gonna lie.
Okay, you're gonna be fine. This will end too, okay? But
Am I gonna go to jail?
yes.
Please, no.
You have to,
Why,
Rebecca.
Why do I have to go to jail? Why?
For
Please
stealing.
don't take me to jail. I'm begging you. I'm so begging you. I'll work. I don't give a fuck what I have to do not to go to jail. I promise you.
Why are you so scared of going to
I don't
jail?
like it. Jail's horrible. Horrible.
But you can get clean in there.
I don't need to get clean. I'm on probation, hon. I have not done nothing. God, please don't do this to me. Please, I beg you. I am so begging you. Please don't do this to me. I will get whatever you guys want, whatever drug dealers you want. I will do whatever it takes.
Rebecca was eventually charged with larceny, resisting arrest, and violation of probation. Karens always act entitled whenever they're caught doing something wrong. It's nice to see them get what they deserve once in a while.